Today is Saturday. Got some coolant. I'm gonna have to start it and test it afterwards. I'm gonna have to put the heater on.
Why heater?
Rev it. That's called burping the system. Okay, one gallon down.
Oh, one time.
And we got the fan running. Today I'm starting with the drill bit. Okay, so there's more people here. Not just people, it's my dad and my brother. So, I gotta pre-drill this. Let's go ahead and do it. These little dots, can you see them?
Yep.
That's what I gotta drill. This is where the welds are. Okay, you know what? I need to grab a stronger bit.
Is that a little too big?
What? It's the same size.
Oh, it looks kind of bigger than the other one.
Let's see what I did. Okay, I think that's the piece. It's so cold right now. New one is gonna go in. This one is gonna slide in like that. So over here where the holes are is gonna get attached. Welded. Sorry, but we're done. We're done. I'm not kidding. I just wanted to show this one part.
See gloves on you. That means you're not done.
Yeah. Not doing the welds today or anything. I just prepped it. Then I'm gonna do the next one the other time because we gotta go to the birthday party. I'm trying to show my director.
That's right.
Babe, you know what I gotta say?
What?
Lucas, Mark already did it. It's your turn. I know I'm kind of, okay, I can stop mine.
If you ruin it, honey, you're gonna hear it from me.
I know, I always hear it. I heard you right now.
It looks fun. You're in the shop. You're working in a car. Just like you're working at home with cooking. Now you're working in the car.
The old beat up.
So, babe, if your video gets like 1 million views, you'll know why I was directing it.
You're so funny.
I'm so tired. I might say things that.
You're so funny.
Bitch, you didn't make me any coffee yet.
I'm sorry, babe. Hold on. Today is another build video. I know I saw some comments. People are asking detail on videos. So those that don't have enough time to actually, But eventually.
You should work with those head camera, like headlamps, but head camera.
After this video, I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, I see your guys' comments. Well, my plan is I already got this out, and today I'm gonna pre-drill this side.
I'm gonna fall off and leak.
Yeah, it's gonna fall off and leak if you don't hold it.
I can smell coffee. I'm serious. Hold on, is it gonna focus? It is 7:29. Let's see how long it's gonna take you.
Why? Oh. Is that good enough?
I guess. I mean, I don't know.
I gotta clean up this area right here because this is where the welding is gonna happen and drilling. Everybody's probably watching the videos and like, how the heck is Toly doing all that? Removing stuff, putting stuff back together? Well, here's a little tip. I put the bolts back in the area where I see what the parts are replacing. I'm putting exactly where it goes. Other thing, I have some on here, like for instance, I left this piece of support on here to know where this SRS light sensor goes. This is a sensor. This is for the passenger side. This is the driver's side. They go right here. I already know because I left that piece on there. Right here, this is where the hole is right there for that clip, and this is for the bolt right here. So this is the piece that was broken off.
Ask you how much you can pay me.
Wait, I think they got that.
No, they didn't get that part. How much you pay? Somebody texted you.
Oh,
Fix it, Nick.
Hey, fix it, Nick! Perfect timing! What do you say?
I don't know. Let's read. Ay, ay, ay.
He said, ay, ay, ay?
No. Tell her what my package is. Does he work for you, UPS still?
Yeah, I don't know. What are you saying?
I'm doing a guess contest to see who gets closest to many times each jumper can start the Silverado. Post video late tonight when halftime. Curious to see what guesses I will. So what does he mean? What about, does my guess count?
If you were his subscriber.
This phone is so huge. It's so hard to type. He said, "How's your project going?" Text him a picture. Video part 3. Huh?
He's keeping count, huh?
What are you doing?
Breaking the spot welds. Wait. Am I drilling the right way? Yeah. Got me scared for a second. You do the thumbnail for this?
Yeah, like there, like that.
Thumbnail? Like
1,
this?
2, 3, yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Did Nick text back?
Oh, I didn't get a chance to look at it yet.
You know how to do everything.
Tell me about it. I even know how to wear an apron.
Honey, what is an Osmo Pocket?
Osmo Pocket?
Yeah, he said he ordered a Osmo Pocket. Not sure if that will help my video with my bids better.
Isn't it DJI?
I don't know.
Gimbal?
I don't know. Let me Google that. You should say I have it.
Osmo Pocket? Well, I have the expensive one. It's a small one.
Oh, the little tiny, like a pocket.
It's the camera and everything.
Yeah, the little
Osmo
tiny.
Pocket.
No, it's just that.
Yeah,
little
DJI.
thing.
See, show them. I know my stuff.
So you have that giant thing.
I have the DJI. Oh no, I can't think of it.
Yeah. I've seen enough drilling of the holes. I think I'll just. Can you reuse it? No.
Yeah, right now we're gonna reuse it.
Wait, can you wear glasses?
Check if there's any glasses hanging right there by the tapes. All the tapes are.
Hey!
Oh,
I'm serious. That's not funny.
So this, you see these little spot welds? It has a little bubble still. Yeah, I have to shave them off so it lays flush.
Clamp it, holding it together so it doesn't move and hold still when you're gonna be welding it.
You smart mundo.
Okay, sorry, I'm gonna follow you up there.
And then the other hole. Does it line up? And then the other one.
Finger, where's the finger?
And this is how it's gonna get welded.
Thank you. Safety first.
You gotta make sure you always disconnect the battery.
Why is that, hum?
Because it's gonna be current to the ground.
Thank you. Just in case people don't know. I like this cute little welder.
A test run, because I have to set up the current 8 amps right now.
So we're European welder, alright?
Yeah. Okay, just look at the camera, don't look over
I know, I'm trying.
Anyways, there's a little malfunction on the other welder, so. See how this one works?
We're welding both sides today?
Yeah.
Well, you know, I need to know how much hours I'm in for.
Do the holes line up? Show me the other hole.
Right there, and then the other hole is right over there.
You can see the thread inside, right?
Yeah.
Then this side, this is all gonna be covered up, so it doesn't matter how it looks here. There's some paint too, so kind of want it to dry. Well, I think it's gonna be pretty much the same thing for that, so should I just do a time lapse for this one?
Yes, I like that idea.
Okay. It bubbled up the paint because the welds are hot.
That's what I said, it was still fresh.
You just need to kind of prep it more, just kind of reshoot it with, you know, paint.
Yes, let's start putting things away so we can go home.
The before and after. Do you want me to test the welds? This is the
don't
part that's
sit on
that was
it.
welded. No, you don't sit on it. It's not that strong.
Okay.
Trust me, this is not meant to be that strong.
Okay.
Why do you think that's crumbled? Because when the impact, it's supposed to crumble here first before here. Am I making the vehicle move? Where am I touching it?
Over there.
Okay, so it's holding, it's not coming off?
No. I heard a crack, honey. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, wow. I can make anything crack.